Hi everyone, this is What J, and today we have a stunning Harry Winston Midnight Diamond Drops, an elegant jewelry watch with a beautiful moon face. As the name suggests, there is a lot of brilliant cut diamonds on the dial, bezel and lugs, 305 to be precise. The diamonds on the blue dial with sunray satin brushed finish are laid in a quite clever way. They imitate the snowflakes falling down on the growing snow pile. The moon face acts as a perfect visual counterbalance for the stones. The date is at 6. The watch is powered by a quartz movement and comes in a white gold round case measuring 39 millimeters in diameter. Find more on whatj.com.